morning. It's a short video for my cousin Reed, just to show how well this mower starts. It's been sitting in the shed doing nothing for approximately 6 to 8 weeks, and we're just going to give it a go at starting it. So, fuel tap to on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the primer. Ready to go. Throttle always confuses me. Throttle open, ready, set, go. 1. 2. Maybe the throttle's in the wrong position. 'Okay, it went better last time. There's petrol in there. And that's it.